In this video, I will show you how you can earn more than $5,000 per month from YouTube without making videos. The first step is to find a profitable niche. Now this channel right here called Little Love is uploading funny cat videos, and now they are making millions and millions of dollars from 10 million views on their most popular videos, and this is a great example. Thing you should not do when starting out with YouTube automation. You don't want to start this type of channel if they can easily find this video clip and re-upload this channel for the more than 1 and 2 per thousands views. They don't receive dollars. Now the channel I'm going to show you is doing over $40 per thousand views. And this channel right here is called Wall Street Millennial, a faceless channel in the stock market and general finance niche. This is the highest CPM position or the most profitable niche on YouTube. It is proven by big YouTube like Graham Stephen with Kevin and Red that you can see how much they earn per video. And for every 1,000 hits on this channel right here is one you want to start with. All they do is make video about Elon Musk leverage EFT, Bitcoin miners, and all kinds of stock market news do. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the idea and the AI will generate a script and do the editing and outsource everything. So let's go ahead and get into it. But before that, I want to tell you here to show you how much money they are making. They created this channel 3 years ago. It says they make $4,700 a month, which is completely wrong. We have channel in this niche, and we know because if you hover over the little question mark, it says the default estimated CPM range for this channel between 25 cents and $4 per thousand views. Elon Musk $40,000 per month or $480,000 per year, simply using what I'm about to show you. Before continuing with the video, be sure to subscribe us and press the bell button to stay informed about our tutorials. So the first thing we want to do is go to their channel, click on the videos, select the most popular. Actually, we want to find the most popular videos that was uploaded recently. Well, the reason this is important is because if you do that, videos that are from 9 months ago or even 2 years ago might be overlooked. But if you make a viral video like this one that just went viral 2 months ago and it's got 1 million views, you can get attention on that. So what we want to do is open up this video. As you can see, very shocking title has it. It's very interesting. A lot of people are looking it up and asking how this happened. Even billionaires are involved in these hundreds of billions of dollars. Many of you know the financial YouTubers I mentioned were also involved in this. So what you're going to do is model this video right here at the bottom. Click on the transcribe. As you can see, the full transcribe will show up for you. So now we're going to go up ahead and copy this transcribe and put it on Google. We place hard. Google Bard is free, little like ChatGPT, but better. So what you want to do is ask Google Bard if you can say, write this script for me in your own language. And then you copy and paste that script back in there. And as you can see, it sends you a whole new script. It even leaves a note at the bottom. It compresses the original text, focusing on key developments, adding conversational phrase to make it more interesting tone. You can customize it by adjusting the level of detail and adding your own community. So now we can get this AI generated script right. It only took 20 seconds, and now we can put this script into an AI voice, so we don't have to do the voiceover ourselves to this voice tool on the AI to name 11 labs, and we will attack that script. Here are some cool sounds, and I choose Charlie as the voice. There are 25 different sound markets to choose from. Once you have this script, you can continue by pressing the download button, which will transfer the second to your computer and download it. There is no artificial intelligence software that can make a really good video editing. So what we do is we come to Fiverr. Don't worry, I will tell you how to get it cheap. Here we go. Looking for YouTube video editing budget. We put it at $15. I sort it all these guys zero reviews. So they are brand new, they have no leverage, and you have leverage on them. You can ask 10 of these guys, would you be willing to do a 10-minute video file edit, and they might do it right, so you can make a YouTube video without any knowledge and earn it.